Hello folks, I really am getting too old for this stuff. Welcome, Panzer Repair Day. As you can see, we have a Panzer, and thanks to our friends at the NCT, informed me that my steering idler arm needed to be replaced. So we got a cheap aftermarket one to replace it with, and in there you just might be able to see that is the worst, singularly the worst ball joint that I've ever encountered in my entire life. This friggin' thing was a spawn of Satan. I had to pound it within an inch of its life with my trusty ball joint separator. So good news is we can now put the cheap aftermarket one in here, and that should be our steering linkage idler arm thingy-bob replaced. Let's see how much of a mess I can make out of this. Oh, yeah. Panzer lesson of the day. Ball joints suck. That's the wrong way around. Good man. Okay. Well, even more so if we can't get that ball joint to go back on there. But hey, let's not worry about things like that. I'm sure everything will be just fine. Okay, that's a start. Gotta get a holiday. Definitely need a holiday. Somewhere warm. The brain. Now, all right. Okay, we're in. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how not to replace your steering idler arm. Watch Tim Meek's videos instead. He does proper stuff. Alrighty, that's that part done. Next. So, next Panzer problem. Driver's door has this Tesla style self-closing feature, but sadly that's a fail because our door brake is goosed. So for this job we got a genuine BMW part. We have a new door brake, so I have to get this door card off and see how we go about replacing our door brake. Okay, so welcome to the Panzer's driver's door. We got the door card off, naturally, broke off all those stupid plastic clips. I have to go get some of those. And by a real situation that I'd rather not repeat, got the old door brake out. Now, the door brake is located here, behind this steel panel. Unless I could break my arm in about 2 different places, there's no way for me to get my hand in from here up to there. Oh! Just take out the window mechanism, Damien, I hear you say. No, we're not doing that. So, we have to find a way to get our new door brake in there. So I think what I'm going to do, attach a bit of MIG wire to this, fish it through the hole and try and pull this into place. Let's see if that's successful or not. Okay, well, much to my surprise, that actually worked. We now have a door stay. For the first time since I've owned this car, the driver's door does not need my boot to hold it open. So yeah, piece of MIG wire, just pulled it up, got the screws back in, job done. So I'm going to go reassemble the door, and should pretty much be the major bits that we needed to get done. Alrighty folks, so I do hope that you've enjoyed this little update today on the Panzer, rather unbelievably. I cannot credit the fact that my driver's door now stays open by itself. This is truly amazing feature to now have that I never had before with this car. So we're pretty much getting her through the various problems. Hopefully now get the NCT sorted very soon, and then we'll be able to go driving properly. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Do check the links in the descriptions for interesting stuff. And until next time, happy Panzer driver's door opening.